Are you curious about what a business analyst actually does? Wondering how much they earn or what certifications you need to become one? Whether you're starting your career or switching paths, understanding the business analyst role can unlock exciting opportunities in today's fast-paced business world. Stick around because, in this video, we'll break down everything you need to know, from job roles and skills to salaries and certifications, in simple words. Before going forward, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. First, let's see what is a business analyst, BA? A business analyst is a professional who helps organizations improve their processes, products, and services by analyzing business needs. Think of them as the bridge between stakeholders and technical teams. They ensure business goals are clearly communicated and turned into actionable solutions. For example, if a company wants to improve customer satisfaction, the business analyst identifies the problem, gathers insights, and works with the team to implement a better solution. In short, they're the problem solvers who connect ideas to execution. Next, let's understand job role of a business analyst. So, what does a business analyst actually do on a day-to-day basis? Gather requirements. BAs meet with stakeholders to understand their needs and document project goals. Analyze processes. They assess current processes and identify areas for improvement. Propose solutions. BAs collaborate with technical teams to design solutions that align with business objectives. Facilitate communication. Acting as a translator, they ensure everyone, from developers to managers, is aligned. Test and evaluate solutions. Once a solution is implemented, BAs assess its effectiveness and recommend improvements. Simply put, they're the connectors who ensure businesses run smoothly and efficiently. Now, what are the responsibilities of a business analyst? To succeed as a business analyst, you'll need to handle several key responsibilities. Identifying business needs, understanding what the organization wants to achieve. Creating detailed documentation, writing clear requirements for technical teams to follow. Conducting data analysis, using data to identify trends and inform decisions. Stakeholder collaboration, keeping communication open between teams. Process improvement, recommending solutions that improve workflows and boost efficiency. The role is all about driving positive change through informed decision-making. But what are the key skills required for a business analyst? To excel as a business analyst, you'll need a combination of technical and soft skills. First is analytical thinking, to break down complex problems. Second is communication skills, to translate business needs for technical teams. Third, data analysis tools. Familiarity with tools like Excel, Power BI, or SQL can be helpful. Fourth, documentation skills, writing clear and concise business requirements. Fifth, collaboration skills, since business analysts often work across multiple teams. Being a successful business analyst isn't just about technical knowledge, it's about understanding people, processes, and data. Next, let's see salary of a business analyst. Let's talk numbers. How much can you earn as a business analyst? In the United States, the average salary is around $85,000 per year. In India, BAs earn between Indian rupee 6L to Indian rupee 13L annually. In Malaysia, the average salary is roughly Rm 67,000 per year. Of course, your earnings can vary depending on your experience, industry, and location, but one thing's clear: business analysts enjoy strong earning potential. But what is the career path for a business analyst? Here's what the career path looks like. For entry level, you start as a junior business analyst, where you'll focus on documentation, reporting, and learning the basics. For mid-level, as a business analyst, you'll manage projects, lead meetings, and recommend key solutions. For senior roles, you can advance to roles like senior business analyst, product manager, or even a strategy consultant. For leadership roles, at the top, you could become a director of business analytics or a chief operations officer, COO. The business analyst career path offers incredible opportunities to grow, specialize, and lead. Next, let's see the top certifications for business analysts. Certifications can boost your career and help you stand out. Here are some popular options. First is ECBA, Entry Certificate in Business Analysis. This certification is great for beginners. Second is CCBA, Certification of Capability in Business Analysis. This certification is ideal for professionals with some experience. Third is CBAP, Certified Business Analysis Professional. This is a top-tier certification for experienced BAs. Fourth is PMIP-BA, Professional in Business Analysis. This certification is perfect for those blending BA skills with project management. Earning certifications not only expands your knowledge but also boosts your earning potential. So, is a business analyst career the right path for you? Whether you love problem-solving, data-driven decisions, or improving processes, this role offers endless growth opportunities. Now tell us in the comments, what excites you most about becoming a business analyst? In the next video we will talk about who is a data analyst, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our future videos.